The physical features of India can be grouped as the Himalayan mountains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plains, and the Indian islands. The Himalayan mountains are one of the most beautiful places in India to explore the gifts of nature. Its highest peaks, snow-clad mountains, carpet of flowers, and sunrise, sunset through the mountains offer a delightful experience. The Himalayan ranges can be grouped into five parallel longitudinal mountain belts of varying width, each having distinct physiographic features and its own geological history. They are designated from south to north as the outer or sub Himalayas. They are also called the Shivalik range, then the lesser or lower Himalayas. Next, the Great Himalayan Range, known as the Himadri Range, and the Tethys or Tibetan Himalayas. Further north lies the Trans Himalayas. From west to east, the Himalayas are divided broadly into three mountainous regions, that is, western, central, and eastern. The Himalayas are 2,400 kilometers long, and their width varies from 400 kilometers in Kashmir to 150 kilometers in Arunachal Pradesh. The Shivaliks are the southernmost and geologically youngest east-west mountain chain of Himalayas. They have many sub-ranges and extend west from Arunachal Pradesh through Bhutan to West Bengal and further westward through Nepal and Uttarakhand, continuing into Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir. They extend over a width of 10 to 50 kilometers and have an altitude varying between 900 to 1100 meters. The longitudinal valley lying between the lesser Himalayas and the Shivaliks are known as dunes. For example, we have Dehradun, Kotli Dun, and Patli Dun. Now, these are some of the well known dunes. The hills are cut through at wide intervals by numerous large rivers flowing south from the Himalayas. Next is the Lesser Himalayas or Himachal Himalayas. The Lesser Himalayas or Himachal Himalayas lies to the south of Himadri. The altitude varies between 3,700 and 4,500 meters and the average width is 50 kilometers. It consists of the Pir Panjal range, which forms the longest and the most important range. Next is the Dhauladhar range and the Mahabharat range. Now, these three are the important ranges lying in the Lesser Himalayas. The Pir Panjal range is the largest sub-range of Lesser Himalayas. It is a group of majestic mountains in the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. The average elevation varies from 1,400 meters to 4,100 meters. The Pir Panjal range is the largest range of the lower Himalayas. Dev Tibba and Indrasan are the two tallest peaks of Pir Panjal mountain range. It also has India's longest rail tunnel known as the Pir Panjal Railway Tunnel. Then it is Banihal Road Tunnel, famous Rotang Pass and Banihal Pass. The Dhauladhar range is one of the branch of the main outer Himalayan chain of mountains in Himachal Pradesh. Dhauladhar mountain range is one of the major attractions in Kangra along with the amazing Kangra Valley. Highest peaks of the Dhauladhar range is the Hanumanji Ka Tibba with an elevation of 5,639 meters. The Mahabharat range completely lies in Nepal. The lesser Himalayas consist of the Kashmir, Kangra, and Kulu valleys. The Kashmir Valley is bounded on the southwest by the Pir Panjal range and on the northeast by the main Himalayan range. It is approximately 135 kilometers long and 32 kilometers wide and is drained by the river Jhelum. Kulu Manali is one more important tourist place in this region. Due to its close proximity, these two names, that is Kulu and Manali, are often considered as a single destination. The valley is known for its amazing hills and various temples and sightseeing locations attract a huge number of visitors each year. The Kulu Valley is surrounded by Deodar and pine forest and is located between the lower and the greater Himalayan ranges as well as the inner Himalayan ranges of the Pir Panjal. Kulu Manali is one of the topmost tourist places in Himachal Pradesh and is frequent